Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hello everyone, myself Dr. Balraj, lecturer in computer engineering, Government Polytechnic Dhangar. आज का हमारा टॉपिक है मेमोरी यूनिट इन ए कंप्यूटर. Dear students, every computer has a memory unit composed of large array of bytes which store programs and data. Parts of memory subsystem: fetch, stores, controller. Fetch means retrieve a value from memory. Store means store a value into memory. Memory address register, memory data register, memory cell will decoder to select individual cells. Types of memory. There are two types of memories: primary storage and secondary storage. Primary memory, fast and direct access. Programs must be stored in memory while they are being executed. Large number of semiconductor storage cells, RAM and ROM are the primary storage. Secondary storage is used for bulk storage or mass storage and indirect access and slow. Magnetic hard disk, CD, etc. Cache memory. Cache memory is much slower than processing time. Faster memory is too expensive to use all memory cells. Small size fast memory just for values currently in use, speed, computing time, system performance improved using this buffering memory. Secondary memories, primary memories and cache memories. Now, what is ALU? ALU stands for Arithmetic Logic Unit. ALU, most computer operations are executed in ALU of the processor. ALU load the operands into memory, bring them to the processor, perform operation in ALU, store the result back to the memory or retain in the processor. Registers and fast control of ALU. अर्थमेटिक लॉजिक यूनिट जो है वो आपका एक्चुअली कंप्यूटेशन का कार्य परफॉर्म करती है. प्रिमिटिव ऑपरेशन सर्किट्स हैं अर्थमेटिक, ADD, कंपैरिजन CE, लॉजिक एंड डाटा इनपुट्स एंड रिजल्ट स्टोर्ड इन रजिस्टर्स. मल्टीप्लेक्सर सेलेक्ट द डिजायर्ड आउटपुट. कंट्रोल यूनिट क्या है? कंट्रोल यूनिट मैनेज द स्टोर्ड प्रोग्राम executions. The timing signal that governs the input-output transfers are also generated by the control unit. कंट्रोल यूनिट क्या टास्क परफॉर्म करती है? कंट्रोल यूनिट के टास्क हैं: fetch from memory the next instructions to be executed, decode it, determine what is to be done, and execute it, issue appropriate command to ALU memory and IO controller. तो ये थे आज के टॉपिक स्टूडेंट्स. आप इनको रिवाइज करें और राइट डाउन इन योर नोटबुक. थैंक यू.